Yo, what's up guys? Back with another video, and today we're playing. Oh my god, this is the worst timing ever. This is literally the worst timing ever. The first thing that when I start recording, this thing pops. Oh, there we go. Alright, so today we are playing Roblox Death Run. It's something new. And I have to show you guys something after we're done with this round of Roblox Death Run. So yeah, we have 7 seconds left until this intermission is done. Actually 3, 2, 1. Then here we go. And it is good. I am sorry if the quality is bad in the background because my fan is going because it's like 85 degrees where I am right now. So yeah, it's like really hot. So I'm sorry about that. If you guys don't know what Roblox Death Run is, there's basically a little person that, whoa, yeah, now presses buttons, and you have to try to get past the obstacles, when there's certain things happen when they press the button. You have to try to get past obstacles. But anyway, I have to show you something in my avatar thing actually, so I'll get back to you once I'm in my avatar. Alright, so I'm in my avatar little slot thing right here. This is all my clothes I have. All of my clothes I have right here and hairstyles. And when I went on this, last time I was playing this game, I see faithful fetal head, faithful fetal left arm, faithful fetal, leg, I guess. And a bunch of other stuff. So I'm gonna actually put this on right now. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna put my waffle scarf on. Take this off, take this off. Do this. Take off my top hat. Alright. I also have a frisbee. Look at this, guys. Like, literally, I am like a dog right now. So if we go back to this, and then once the next round starts, I will be able to show you what it looks like on me. And I'm trying to get the sword for $1,200, and I actually have 681 coins right now. As you can see, it's right here. There should be a red circle right on it. If we go ahead and open the shop, I will show you the sword I have. $1,200 coins. This one right here is so cool looking. I was gonna get this $500 one, but then I saw this thing for $1, which is not a bad deal. I keep on saying dollars. I mean coins. Alright, so we're on to do this next round in about like 5 seconds or so. You'll be able to see what the dog thing looks like on me. And I'm sorry guys, I have allergies. So I'm sorry if I'm funny. And I'm sorry if I'm sniffing a lot. Yeah, look. Right, so let's fake him out. See? I'm glad I did it. Or else I would have fell right there and died, and I would have had to wait for the next round. Oh, see? They're pressing buttons and this happens. Now if I go in here, water will flow like that. I have to jump on these obstacles if I get to the next stage. After this round, I'm not going to tell you guys anymore because I think you get the objective of it so far. There's this checkpoint thing. We're trying to make my way around. Oh, I did it! No way, dude. Right, get that right here. No, I fell in! I literally pressed the space bar right now, but I did it. Oh my gosh, I didn't even jump. Yeah, this is the sword I have right now. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? My tail right there. Ah! Alright, guys. Meanwhile, let's do this little obby thing over here. Wipe out things. Oh, there's coins and gems that drop in here once in a while. So I'm gonna quickly get this gem. gem, diamond, crystal, whatever you want to call it. I seriously, every time I try to do this obby or intro my video, this thing or something comes up when I'm in a certain game. Something seriously comes up. Oh, there I am. The dog right there. That's me. That's me. That's me. Alright. So, yeah, on to the next row. 10 seconds. Let's see if I can make it to the fire pit in 7 seconds. Go, 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 go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes, I did it. I thought I wasn't going to make it further than it. Right, this one is kind of difficult and tricky. Alright, yeah, I am a runner, not the, what they call it, the killer. Because they, when they press a button, they sometimes kill people because of the hits come up. Oh yeah, they're not AFK. Oh, that's why you don't just try to guess. You actually have to wait. Oh my god, that was so close. This one's just, right, I'm gonna be the first. You get coins if you collect coins, obviously. Or, oh, I forgot. Or if you touch checkpoints or do any other, if you get to the end, kill the killer. This one, I think, dead fish. Step over. It's gonna. Yeah, see, I tricked them. They were him. Her or him, I don't know. Oh, yeah, see? You have to get on the gray. Like this coin right here. And I get burnt by the lava. Yeah. Oh, see? I'm smart, ain't I? I'm sure you guys would trick them too if you play this game. It's called Roblox deathrun. Go check it out yourself because it's a pretty cool game. I'm not really lying. Alright, so, oh, this is sketchy. But I'm gonna go for it because it's not up there. They're not up there. Go, go, go! Wow. That loot just got blown up. Now I have 686 coins. I think I'll get some more coins when this round is over. So let's spectate some players right now. And so this, gosh, the round just ended. Why? I'm having so much bad luck right now. Leave it in the comment sections below if you want me to keep this dog costume on, aka Fido or Fido, whatever it's called, or my normal Roblox avatar. Tell me in the comment section below what you like best and what you want me to wear for the rest of the video. What? I got first place! I got literally first place! Oh my god! Look at the coins I have now. 699 right here. See? Right there. Right here. After this round, I should be like 300 or 600 away or so. Yeah, I'm not the killer. Dang it. Alright. I already know this obstacle. I get over here because those things fall down. They crush you. Unless the player is AFK. Yo, he's not. See? They fall down and they crush you. Like a mashed potato. Aha! Alright, these ones disappear. Oh! That guy fell right into the sky beneath us. I guess, see? Sky. Or it might just be the reflection of the sky above us. These boards break. Ugh. You have to do is just jump over here. Which I get nervous all the time when I'm jumping. I made it, guys. I made it. Wait. Go, do it. I did it. So far. This door breaks open and 2 barrels go down 2 times. Where's the killer at? Oh! I'm glad I did not go. Alright. Oh, that guy died. Ah! No! What? I just jinxed myself. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I just jinxed myself. Put in the comments below hashtag jinx. Fido. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go ahead and spectate. Oh! We just got him. So I still have 699. Now I have 703. I came in 5th place. Look at Alright. Let's go ahead and slide down the slide. Wow! I think I could complete this in 6 seconds. Ooh. No, I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. I think at that hitting me. Safety first. This is a really hard one. Could I mean hard? I don't mean, oh, it's so hard. I mean, like, it's like really, really hard. Like, this is probably the hardest I could get. See those little rocks fall down, those bricks. Alright. Oh, she's a savage. I mean, they are savages. Then we can walk across where this goes. Now, to quickly get right here because the wrecking ball's gonna come. See, they just all died. And then this little bulldozer, whatever it's called, thing right here. It's gonna come through. Is it? Oh, I barely made it. Do you think I could jump over these saws? In time? Oh! Nope, too late. Too late! Oh, yes! I'm doing this. I am doing this right now. I need to get to the end. What? I swear. Comment down below if anything touched me. I don't think anything touched me. I seriously don't think so. I don't think I'll be able to get the 1,200 coin dollar sword today. In this video, maybe part 2. How did I get first place again? What? I'm just gonna say GG. Alright guys, we're in the next round, and I'm not the killer, sadly. I see me jumping right there. 2, 1, goose! Yeah. But anyway guys, that does the video here. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, share with your friends, and